The anti-gun state of New York has suffered a recent defeat. Although critical portions of Kathy Hochul's Concealed Carry Improvement Act, the CCIA, are still in place, a federal injunction has been affirmed against portions of the law. First, let's talk about where the case went wrong. The case took place in the Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit and failed to uphold precedents set in Bruin by Justice Clarence Thomas with respect to historical traditional firearm laws. New York's good moral character requirement seems to have been untouched. So moving forward, at least for the near future, pistol permit applicants will be subjected to the whims of authorities when it comes to determining their character and whether or not they should be in possession of a handgun. The good news is the following provisions on New York's CCIA law are enjoined under this new ruling. Number one, the requirement of applicants to disclose social media accounts for review. Number two, the restrictions on carrying on private property that's accessible to the public. And number three, the restriction on carrying in houses of worship. Now, when the originally appointed New York Governor Kathy Hochul introduced her package of unconstitutional gun laws, deceivingly named the Concealed Carry Improvement Act, it brought with it a list of dangerous and Constitution-violating restrictions that put good people in danger. The CCIA made people unarmed and helpless in a high-crime state that already had a history of pandering to criminals. Now, we could look at the glass as half full when we see these minor victories, but we must also recognize the damage being done to our Second Amendment by continuing to let existing portions of this law remain in place. See, the truth is, it must all go away because it violates the rights of American citizens and puts good people in danger. Now, Senior Vice President for Gun Owners of America, Eric Pratt, said, Governor Hochul and her cabal in Albany never seem to get the message, and in turn, GOA is proud to have played a major role in rebuking her unconstitutional law. Nevertheless, this was not a total victory, and will continue the fight until this entire law is sent to the bowels of history where it belongs. Gun Owners of America and Gun Owners Foundation will continue pushing back against those who want total control over an unarmed America. Thanks for watching Bullet Points. I'm Dan Wass for Gun Owners Foundation. You can find more Second Amendment content and updates at gunowners.com.